Hi everyone. This little tutorial is just on how you would take attendance or how you are going to sign in so that the teachers can take attendance. So if you just open up your browser and you're at your Google homepage, and you're going to click on your 9 little dots up here in the right hand corner, the waffle, and you'll go down and look for your classroom. So right here. So this is where we're going to be doing all of our distance learning from now on. So in our Google Classroom. So you'll click on that and you'll come to this screen. Obviously you're going to have different classes than I do. But you go to whatever class it is for the day. So I'm going to go to my Geometry 3A class. So I would click on that one. And then this is what you see. This is kind of your home screen. This is where I posted a few different announcements, some old worksheets, things like that. But for the most part, we will be working in this classroom tab up here at the top. All right, so we'll click on that. And then this is where all of your assignments and daily kind of outlines will be. The very first thing that you do every single class, whether it's geometry, whether it's art, whether it's computers or facts or English or social studies, whatever. So you find your attendance right here and you'll click on that and you come up with this screen here and you just click on that. And then this is where you are taking attendance. So this is third hour geometry. So you just would type in your last name here and then type in your first name. And then down at the bottom here, you just hit submit. And then it will timestamp it for me with the date and the time that you were in class. You do not have to do it, if third hour is always at 11:40, you don't have to do it at 11:40. You can do it anytime throughout the day, but it does need to be that day in order for you to be counted present. So you would only do this, you would do all your A-day classes on A days and you'll do your B-day classes on B days. So that is all. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. All right, thanks.